So you've created an ePortfolio, but now you're not really sure what it's for, and it just kind of sits there, staring at you, like your grandmother's cat. Maybe you've started adding things to your portfolio already. Great. If not, you're probably asking, what sort of things go in a portfolio? How do I get started? And why should I add anything at all? What's the point? Here's a better question. What's your story? Every class you've taken, assignment you've completed, and activity you've participated in is contributing to the person you'll be when you leave Lee. A portfolio helps you collect artifacts from all those significant stops on your journey, so that you have a complete picture of how far you've come to share during your time at Lee and beyond. So what do these artifacts look like? They're the parts of your Lee experience that can't be summarized in a transcript or resume. They're reflections you've already done about who you are or who you're becoming. They're things that have changed the way you look at college, made you think about something differently, or demonstrated a hard-earned academic accomplishment. These pieces of your story help you understand where you're going by showing you where you've been. How? Reflection. Reflection is the process of looking back at what you've done over time and thinking about how those things influenced what you're doing now. It can help you make connections between content, identify weaknesses, and understand strengths. But you can't do that if your story is full of holes. So if you haven't already been adding things to your portfolio, the time to start is now. Go into your portfolio by going to Moodle and clicking the Pathbright ePortfolio link, then selecting the portfolio from your profile. Click the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to begin adding work. How you add things to Pathbright is almost as limitless as what you add. For some things, it can be as easy as drag and drop. Other times, you'll want to bring in pieces from somewhere else, so you'll pull in YouTube, Facebook, or Google Drive. Maybe you have a group of items that tells a story together. Build a group by adding the first piece, then selecting Edit Item as Collection of Work to add more pieces to the collection. Or maybe you have several things that aren't necessarily a group, but you can already see connections. This is where categories come in handy. Categories allow you to sort items in your portfolio that showcase different skills, interests, and areas of achievement. No matter what you add or how you add it, be sure to write in the description why you included this piece. This helps you be able to articulate why this is important to your story and builds a roadmap later when you're looking back at how far you've come. Remember, a portfolio isn't static. It should be growing, expanding, and changing all the time. After all, it's a reflection of you. The more you add, the better it will tell the story of your amazing journey at Lee and beyond.